Hello ETCN members. As our group grows, it has become important to have a shared environment for our work files. We've been using Dropbox up to this point, but we've outgrown this tool. And therefore, we will be moving to a cloud environment called Office 365 as our collaborative environment and location of our shared files. This video tutorial will introduce you to the new collaborative space. As an overview, I will be explaining the partnership between Office 2013 to Office 365. We'll talk about the login process, your account information, how to set up your OneDrive on your local computer, how to manage the shared files, and how to create or upload a new document into our shared environment. Let's start by understanding the connection between Microsoft 2013 and 365. Microsoft Office 2013 is a software installed on your computer. We purchased Microsoft Office Suite based on a single license to be installed on a single computer. In order to allow for remote access of personal and/or work files and the software that was used to create them, Microsoft has released a new version of their product that's a subscription tool, and it's accessible on the internet. This is referred to as a cloud solution. We connect the files on your local computer to the files in the cloud using a tool called OneDrive. Think of it as a filing cabinet. With Office 365, you can set up, create a OneDrive folder on your computer desktop, and then link it to your cloud location. I have created an account for each of you with a temporary password. You will need this information to log into our Education to Career cloud environment. With your account information handy, you will open an internet browser, preferably Internet Explorer or Edge if you're using Windows 10. Because these are designed by Microsoft. You can use Firefox or Chrome, but you might encounter small issues. Once you have the browser open, you will go to portal.office.com and use your login information. I have used your ETCN email address as your username. If you do not have this information, please email me and let me know, and I'll resend it to you. I created a temporary password which you will be prompted to change the first time you log in. Once you've successfully logged into your account, your dashboard will display the tools that we have access to with our subscription. As a quick overview of this screen, your account information is to the right under your name. Next to that is a gear shift, which has additional setup information and how you want to be notified about files that have been shared with you and/or activity within our environment. To the far left is what I refer to as a waffle. This waffle icon is a shortcut to all the tools. Now I encourage you to click on each and every one of these items just to see what they're going to do. You won't mess anything up. Our next step is to review the OneDrive, a filing cabinet for all your documents. If you click on OneDrive, you will then see this screen. From the left, you will see the files that you own. Now, right now, you have no files in your particular filing cabinet because you're brand new to the environment. In my demonstration here, I have two files. One that's named inappropriately and one that is named appropriately, and one I uploaded from my local machine. Directly under Files, you'll see the word Recent. Recent is anything that you've accessed recently. So you would use this in the event you forgot the name of the file or you can't find something. This is a quick way to get to documents that you've recently worked on. Directly below that is the title Shared with Me. When you click on Shared with Me, you will open up to the ETCN folder, which I imported from our Dropbox. I've uploaded everything that we've created up to this date. From now on, you will use this location to access our shared work. Finally, if you'd like to create the connection to your desktop so that when you create and save a file using either your desktop application using Microsoft Office, or you create one here, your access will automatically be synced. So to do that, you will notice on the toolbar there's an icon called Sync. You're going to click on that. It will then prompt you through a series of steps to complete. Just follow them. Once you have successfully created the link, when you go to your desktop and open Windows Explorer, under the word Favorite, you will now notice that you have a new icon, a OneDrive Education to Career Network of North San Diego County, available in your list. Anything you save to this location will now automatically be synced to your cloud account. In order to get back to the tools, you can just click on the waffle, and that will take you back to our tool dashboard. What we're going to do now is explore what happens when you access one of the applications and what you see. Once you click on one of the tools, it will open up just like it does on your desktop application. It will prompt you to select from one of the templates or to open a blank screen. Once you have opened up a new document, this is the screen that will be displayed. The key to note here is that you're working online. Some of the online tools are not as sophisticated as the workstation application. So if you do not find something in the ribbon that you're used to using, it could be that it's not available in the cloud version. In that case, what we would do is we would save it, open up locally, work on it, and then upload it back. But let's continue with this example. To change the name of the document, you will click in the center in this black area. Just click directly on document 1 and give it a name. Secondly, it's not necessarily to find a save button because it saves automatically in the background. You do not need to save this document by clicking on File, Save As, because it's saving. When you're done, you can then share this document with either people within our organization or with people outside. You can go ahead and set the parameters to how you want to share the access, whether it is share and edit or share and view only. In the event you want to print this, what you're going to do is you're going to use the X on the tab and close the window and return to OneDrive. From OneDrive, you'll find the document you want to print, and at this point you will need to download it and use the printer on your local machine. A couple other things that you can do here is you can move it, you can copy it, you can get a link to it. When you're linking to it, you then have different types of permissions that you can set to it. You can also do a straight share here and type in someone's email address, again controlling what they're able to do with the document. A lot of features in here. Again, to get back to your tools, you would just click on your waffle then. So that concludes our quick video today. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to supporting you as you migrate to the Office 365 environment. I have created a quick guide resource for you to print that contains the majority of this information in the event you want a piece of paper to help guide you through this. Also, if you need any additional support, feel free to contact me and I'll be happy to assist you.